please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
On the authority of Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, who said, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, part of someone, being an excellent Muslim, is staying away from that which does not concern them. This narration is found in Jami, Tirmizi, number 2317. A person can't be an excellent Muslim until they mind their own business. Allah, the Exalted, is happy with the one who is an excellent Muslim, so if someone does not mind their business, how can Allah, the Exalted, be pleased with them? You should only get involved in things which affect you, and will not cause problems, or be a sin, if you get involved. If it is a sin, or causes problems, it is best not to get involved. The same way, you do not want other people to get involved in your business and cause problems for you. Do not do it to other people. Minding your own business includes your words and actions. The more you mind your business, the more excellent you become. And the more excellent you become, the more Allah, the Exalted, will help you in this world and in the next.